Well, hi guys, it's George from Cyprus Insight. This evening it's the 10th of March. Season hasn't quite started yet, but quite a few places are open here. And we're going to try the No Plates restaurant, we call it. There it is. They have got a branch in Paralimni. Oh look, they've got a video going on of what happens. You see, look. So she gets the stuff and just puts it on the grease proof paper, and you order bits. Well, I'll show you when we get in. Right, let's get in. There's a slope. I do like slope. There's the QR code. Now look at the QR code. It's movable, so you can take it away when you're throwing all the stuff on the grease proof paper. So you've scanned the QR code and you've got it on your phone now, haven't you? A cheese croquettes €1.50, falafel €1, French fries $3.50, we'll have a portion of them. Village salads €7, other salads are €7. Tzatziki dips are $3.50, mustard dip $3.50, yogurt dips, homemade pork gyros €16. That's quite a lot though. Homemade chicken gyros €16.
That's with fries and tzatziki and the salad.
Oh, so you get the whole lot?
It's a meal, yeah.
As a meal. Right, so these are the per pieces, aren't they? Pork souvlaki is $2.50, chicken souvlaki is $2.50. Chef d'Ailleur's $2.50, pork belly is $2.50, chicken burger, vegan burger, all $2.50, chicken nuggets are €1. Then you've got the drinks, water's just €1, sparkling water, soft drinks are $2.50, juices are $2.50, and iced tea is $2.50. A slow beer is €4. You can have a bottled beer, Kiel, Carlsberg bottled, and then you can have ouzo by the glass. Look at that, $3.50. Wines, they've got loads of wines around €5 and €8, going up to €15 for 75 millilitres. Is that a bottle?
It is.
There are more wines. Seem to be very reasonable, I think. More wines, and red wines €5 a glass, €19 a bottle, and there we are. Before we start our meal, just let me thank Claire and Francis for the super thanks. Thank you very much, guys. We haven't got a slow beer tonight, we've got refreshing water, so cheers guys. Very refreshing. We have got a plate. We do start off with plates, don't you? Look, all the other tables got plates. So maybe you keep the plate for your salad. Oh, I know. Perhaps you keep the plate, you got your salad, and then they throw the stuff in the middle there, you see. There we are. We've got, oh, doesn't look like they throw it on the table anymore. Sometimes they do. Right, we've got a portion of halloumi each, big chunk of halloumi. We've got loads of potatoes or French fries. What's that?
It's a cheese croquet,
What's that?
a zucchini ball.
This is Greek pita, not Cypriot pita. And then we've got a Cypriot salad. Tuck in. And there's souvlaki coming as well, meats coming. Cheese croquette.
Croquet.
Yeah.
Want a bit?
No, thank you.
Don't forget your halloumi.
Halloumi, that's what I'm having. Oh, triple delicious halloumi. Mmm. What's your croquette like?
Davy.
And what's it taste like?
Triple delicious.
What is that?
Courgette ball.
Courgette ball.
Yeah, zucchini ball.
Oh, looks delish.
Want some?
No, I'm alright with all this. Got loads. Oh yeah. Now, they don't put on this particular restaurant, they don't actually throw it on the greaseproof paper anymore. But if you do really want it thrown on the greaseproof paper, you can tip it out. It's up to you. Or you can go up to Paralimni, because they still throw it on the greaseproof paper. I was in the kerfuffle. Here you get it on a kind of plate. But you can throw it on the greaseproof paper if you want.
Yeah. But if you run out of holiday money now, you can do the washing up.
That's a good idea. And also, they still put it in the middle though. You see? They don't put it on individual plates like a meal. So it's kind of the same sort of thing. Are you going to... sick. Throw it on the table. There you are. There you are. Prue's throwing it on the table, guys. Just to prove our point. Can throw it. There, put it on the table. That's it. There you are. So if you want it on the table, you can have it on the table, guys. Not really a problem. Are you throwing that on the table? Go on then, throw it all on the table. That's it. You do get a little spare table on the side over there. So you can, yeah, get rid of them plates. There you go.
Nearly no plates.
There you go, guys. So you've got the option, if you want, have it on the table. Loads of lemon all over the table. Go on, all over the table. We don't care. That's it. There we are. That's a good idea, actually. So if you don't really want it all over the table or on the greaseproof paper, you get it on, leave it on the little plates. We've gone mad, haven't we? Gone mad. You're going to have the pork belly. I'm going to have the chef d'oeuvre. Look at the size of that chef d'oeuvre. It's massive. It's cut into it. I'm doing it with one hand because I'm video recording the other hand. There we are. Looks delish. Right, let's try the chicken kebab. Looks lovely and tender. It is. Delish. Can you remember how much the kebab portions were?
£2.50.
That's a lot of meat for €2.50, isn't it? That was there, you see. I've already had a piece. That's a lot of meat for €2.50. How are we doing? Salad's triple delicious, isn't it? Now, do you think these peppers are hot?
Yes.
Yeah, don't touch some peppers, no. Kebab nice and delicious, soft. Chips are delish. And there's plenty here. Can I just explain something? If you don't fancy the greaseproof paper, we did establish that it comes on a plate. But what I wanted to point out is, if you're a messy eater like us, you could keep the food on the plate and then you can fry it around, it doesn't matter. Now look at the mess. Abracadabra. Ta-da! All clean and tidy.
Well done.
And to finish it all off, mastic or mastiki comes from that comes from the trees.
Down the edge.
Very good for your throat. That's a lot for a shot.
No, it's a shot because it's in a shot
Let me
glass.
give you a little tip.
Drink
Just
it.
you drink it about
Straight down.
no, not straight down. Not
Yeah.
half. A little bit of water. Give it 5 minutes and we'll have the other half. Now from now on I'm going to call it No Plates or Plates Restaurant. There you go, you got the option. Delish. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if there's somewhere you'd like me to go, put it in the comments below.